Got Talent Series 13.
Series 13. Unlucky for some.
Ha! What a load of superstitious nonsense.
That's absolutely incredible.
Beautifully done.
Seriously scary.
That was unbelievable.
Let's face the music. I, for one, couldn't be more excited about Series 13.
What is going on? Well, it's season 13, guys.
Hello?
Hello.
Is there anybody there?
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Oh!
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. What's your name?
Russell T. Bird.
Russell T. Bird. How old are you, Russell?
Reverse 17.
71.
71.
Ah.
He's 71, man.
You look early 20s.
I love you.
Do you have a day job, or are you retired yet?
I'm sort of retired as such.
What were you doing before?
Doing a bit of distributing and stuff like that.
What were you distributing?
Magazines.
Oh, right. So, why Britain's Got Talent now?
Because I've always wanted to be on it, and it'd be like a little reward for all my efforts since I was a teenager.
Okay. Russell, we're all rooting for you. The stage is yours, sir.
Thank you. Everybody out there, let's go. Get ready for the bass drum. Make love to music. Everybody dance to the music. Make love to music. Come on, change the channel.
Oh, get it on. Oh, get it on.
Stay inside it. 'Cause you better slow your Mustang down. Everybody sing it. She's been trying all the time. 'Cause like little soul sister, she sure knows how to get.
That's on. That's on now. That's on.
What is the problem? Where's this going?
She's been trying all the time.
We carry on, didn't we?
Yeah.
I'll give up. It's up.
Try that.
We're trying for you here.
Do we have an electrician in the house?
Right, cut right.
Okay, we got it.
Don't jiggle about. Russell, good luck, my friend.
Do it again.
Yes, do it again. Good luck. Here we go, go on.
Check on.
Right.
Series 13, that.
That's what it
Series
is.
13.
Series 13.
Let's revisit it. We'll only be together and never quarantine. We'll only be together, together in oh, oh. We'll only be together and never quarantine. Everybody, thank you. Thank you.
Always look on the bright side of life. Always
Thank you all.
on the bright side of life.
You know what the weird thing was, after all that, you didn't really play it that much. It's like a few notes. I couldn't believe it. Well, look, it was a wonderfully exuberant performance. I loved it. It was joyous.
Thank you.
It didn't matter that you couldn't play, didn't play, whatever. I really enjoyed it. It was good fun. And you know what? I actually really like your voice.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I actually think that it was better when it didn't work, that.
Oh, right.
But you still threw some amazing shapes, Russell.
Amanda, thank you.
I actually quite like your voice. It was like, you know, the guy in Back to the Future, you know, the sort of the nutty professor.
All the time, Simon.
Yeah, I get that. I like it.
Gotta go back and fix my guitar.
Great Scott!
You're nuts, but you are fantastically nuts, by the way. And like a true professional, you just carried on.
I had to for these. Thank you.
Well, I'd like to kick it off with a yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
It's a yes from me, Russell.
Russell, you just got 4 yeses.
Do you know what? You carried on. The show must go on. What a pro. What a professional.
I love the fact that he kept performing whilst they were still trying to fix it.
I know.